G'day everyone, I just wanted to film a quick little update now, just to let you know what I've been doing for the last year pretty much. I've been a bit behind on editing videos and things of that nature, but I've definitely been filming a lot of videos. You should have seen some episodes about the house in Balnarring, the farmhouse that I've been renovating. That's only a couple episodes in and there's a lot of stuff happening there, a lot of raw footage that I've got to get through, so the content from that is going to be a lot more landscaping and gardening oriented. The renovations inside the house are pretty much finished and the content related to that are already out, so feel free to watch that. But it is a very similar work setting to the video that on my channel that has the most views on it, so if you are subscribed to this channel because of that video, hopefully you'll find some enjoyment in this newer content. As I said, there's already some out and a lot more coming. In between all of this work, the construction work I do and film, I'm also renovating my own house, so there are more episodes on that currently live than the farmhouse. So episode by episode I'm trying to renovate this house all while running the business and doing work for other people. So I do have a lot of footage I'm trying to get through, and I have edited and scheduled out a couple of videos to do with this house, and then I have a lot planned to do over this Christmas break. So it's currently December here in Australia. It's December everywhere actually. It's currently summer here in Australia and December, so I plan to take a bunch of time off after Christmas. I won't be really working for anyone else in January, and I will be trying my best to catch up on old footage, and I'll absolutely be renovating here. So the plan is to move all the furniture out as much as I can out of upstairs. My bedroom is half finished, the lounge room is half finished, the kitchen won't be getting finished, but it will be getting updated. The nursery and the stairwell, they're not finished, so I'll be doing my best to paint everything and finish off all the plastering. Everything's got a base coat on it, but we need a second coat and a top coat and sand it and prime it and then put the colour on. So a bit to do here, but I'm really hoping I can smash that out with a bit of help from some family. And at the end of all of that, I will be doing a bit of a tour, because pretty much at the end of that would mark 2 years, 2 and a bit years since we started, and it would also pretty much mark a bit beyond halfway point. Currently halfway at the minute, sort of, so to be halfway after 2 years is kind of saying something. This is a pretty big project, and yeah, there is a budget involved, and I'm not getting paid to work on my own house, and I have to pay for the material, so it's a big hit to the pocket. The point I'm trying to make with that is that it's a bit of a slow burn, and I hope that's alright with you guys, and I hope you are enjoying the videos. And yeah, we're also trying to put a bit of love into it because we live here. So that's pretty much all I have to say about the house, the construction work I've been doing and filming this year. I do have a couple of other tutorials coming up, some related to cladding and how to use Hebel cladding, cement weatherboards, how to do those. I had to re-stump a house this year, so there'll be some interesting footage and some interesting tutorials there, I hope, not just on this house. So hope you look forward to those. And one more thing that was probably just going to be a bit out of the ordinary is a tutorial on how to set up a birth pool. So that was kind of a subscriber request, or a request from a friend. They're the ones that are actually borrowing a birth pool that my wife and I own, which we've only used once, and we used it for our own birth of our daughter. So I don't want to waffle on about that too much, but that will be a bit of a interesting video and a bit different to the construction or automotive stuff you're used to seeing. So definitely still try my best to upload videos. Time is escaping me very easily. Obviously paying the bills takes a priority, and looking after my family takes priority, so editing is kind of the last thing I get to during the week, and sometimes I miss out, so that's what falls behind. And yeah, appreciate everyone's patience. I hope you've been enjoying the content I've been putting out. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask them. If you've got any suggestions, let me know. And yeah, let me know what you've been liking, what you haven't been liking, and hopefully I can learn from that and cater to you a little bit better. And yeah, the aim is to keep growing this channel more and more and more. I just really enjoy doing this work and teaching in my own way. And yeah, the dream is to just be able to do this full time, seek out some projects that are a bit more interesting, and have everybody kind of win. Everyone gets to learn. I still get to keep a roof over my head and over my family's head, and I'm not just digging holes for a living. I hope you can appreciate that vision. I'm really chasing after a dream here, and your support goes a long way. So without your subscriptions, without your viewership, I'd be stuck doing something I probably don't want to be doing. So very grateful for all the viewers and subscribers out there. So just want to end with a thank you, and hope to see you on some other videos. Leave a comment, and I always get back to those. So thanks for watching, thanks for sticking around, thanks for listening to me blabber on, and yeah, we'll see you next time.